If you ever notice that when you're browsing any website that has AdSense ads running and you click on any page link that directed to AdSense ad instead of your destination page that you requested, that's when you click on any page or post, Google's Vignette AdSense ads will display first instead of your page load that you click to see. Some people think that this is the best way to make more revenue from AdSense, but that's wrong. But some people or some website owner don't like this AdSense tricks. This is a very annoying because visitor clicks on the page to see the page content and they redirect on AdSense ad, and most people they don't like it. Sometimes you will lose your visitor because most people do not like this redirect and they leave your website. For example, see this. In this video I will go through if you want to keep or change this AdSense setting. So please watch the video to the end and to get all the step-by-step details. Let's get started. So first, log into your AdSense account. Click on Ads, Sites. If you want to add your site, new site, you can click here and add your new site. That requires some configuration. So now all your sites should be ready for AdSense. Then click on Site, then click on Ads. Now any of your website, for example for freefave.com, if I want to change AdSense setting, then click on the little pencil right here. Then I have auto ads enabled. You can enable or disable, enable, disable. It must be enabled if you want to running automatically ads, so you don't require to manually paste AdSense code on your website pages. If you want to use the manually, you can disable this thing, so you have no problem. Auto ads are running. Optimize your existing ad units, it should be enabled. Now click on Ad Formats. So in page ads should be enabled. Matched contact is recommended to get enabled. Anchor ads is okay. Now this is Vignette ads. That's you can do enable or disable. And white screen, if you enable, then this thing happen. If someone clicks on any page or post, the Google AdSense will appear on blank page instead of loading the page that visitor want to see. So that is annoying. Sometimes visitor will leave the site because most people does not like that redirecting. So I strongly recommend this should be off. And once it's done, click to apply to the site. And that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the bell of notification so you will be notified first as soon as I upload a new video for all my future videos. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.